Meaning of eldritch.
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 Eldritch. The word eldritch typically refers to something that is eerie, strange, or otherworldly in nature. This adjective is often used to describe things that are unsettling or discomforting, such as a dark and foreboding forest or a creepy old house. The term has its origins in Scottish folklore and has since become a common descriptor in horror and fantasy literature. Overall, when something is described as eldritch, it conveys a sense of supernatural or inexplicable power that inspires both fear and fascination.